Hi, welcome to Dinner for One, a single man's kitchen. I'm your host, John DiToro. Today we're going to do a cornbread recipe. So this time, I'm going to actually put a little bit of jalapenos in it to kick it up a notch. I'm also going to be putting in some buttermilk to add some fantastic moisture to the cornbread, along with our basics, which is the egg, baking powder. I'm adding 2 different types of sugar, white and brown. So let's get to the ingredients and move forward. All the ingredients have been placed into the bowl. The only thing left to do, blend it all in, mix it well. And you want to get the consistency so there's no lumps. So let's give that a quick stir, get all the ingredients nice. You have your oven on at 375 preheating. When we're ready, we're going to be putting it in this pan that I have. Now, normally it calls for a bread pan, but I personally like doing my cornbread in actually muffin tray. The reason being is that they're little bite-sized pieces that they're easy to take with you, and sometimes you just don't want to cut a whole piece. Now, I'm pretty well mixed. Next thing is in with the jalapenos. Remember, wash your hands after and don't touch your eyes until you've washed your hands. I have learned that lesson in passing on my misfortune to you free of charge. If you're right-handed, lay it on your right hand on the side, and in you go. I personally like doing 1 ladle per, the reason being these will rise. Let it clean, and in you go, like so. Okay, tray is filled, cleaning off a little bit of the spillage. Cooling rack. If you don't have one, get one. In fact, you can even get it at the dollar store. It's been 10 minutes for cooling. Now time to get them out. This is the reason why I love silicone trays. Just super easy, they pop right out. So I'm going to show you how I like to eat corn muffins. And I learned this one in Montreal. Do a little cut down the middle. Now I'm actually going to see how moist and how it just breaks apart beautifully. In Montreal, their way of eating corn muffins, they're gold, maple syrup. What you want to do, a nice presentation. Voila. Bon appetit, enjoy, follow me on YouTube. Dinner for One, Single Man's Kitchen.